Welcome to Loremstock, a Rwanda-based technology and innovation foundation, helping people and organizations turn ideas into digital solutions, from software development and IT services to professional training and digital learning. We build, support, and empower the next generation of technology creators. Loremstock, learn, build, innovate.
Okay guys, welcome again kuri Loremstock LAN. Hano rero tugiye kureba noneho uburyo kuri ino video twerekana uburyo position cyangwa se role twahaye abantu bazikora neza muri system, si bakora ibiki muri system yacu. So tugera kuri position y'umuntu wa mbere bita administrator, ubone no uhagarariye company. Ushobora kujya kuri sign in, kuri get started for free. Even here you can go to sign in, get started. So zijya kuri page imwe. So you can choose any question you want. I mean your login page yacu, aho ugiye creatingira company profile ubundi ukinjira muri system. So hano ni kuni password, username, email or password. Hano ntabyo ufite by default. Si icyo usabwa wewe urasoma hano urabona handitse ngo are you company. If this is for the first time, you can request a company account and then our team will create your organization profile. So icyo ukora uraza ukajya kuri request company account, kuri new organization, ukuzamo details. Reka tusemo uzamo details, wenda ngo ni Diver Cosmetic Limited, or let's say like is Kigali High School. Say Kigali High School, yes. Then email, let's say is like this one. So I'm using my email. So you uraza kuri email yawe. Let's say 250 78 1 2 3 4 5 6 hey 7. So website, website shark, let me see like this is the one of my website. Loremstock.com. Suppose this is the website of the company. Then kunyuzamo email, just a full name of the administrator. Let's say it is Kigali High School or admin, just the name. You add the real name here. Same, the email will be the same. Let's use this email. Okay, then you submit the company request. So filling more details, then you submit the request. So request is sent to the SPA admin. The SPA admin will review, but there's no way you can show the SPA admin here because it's the main character or the main important person in this system. So there's no need to show it in a video. And you might tegereza request twakohereje ko SPA admin na reviewing ya reviewing zero no go to saving email ko byakunze cyabyana. So but this will not be shown kuri video. So none wa muntu request bahereje ushobora kujya kuri email here, and then you can see the email is here, all of those store, and they're saying that hello admin, your organization has been approved. This is your email, then you can use this as temporary password. So for more, we're signing in, get the system. So if I click on sign in, I turn the system as administrator. Ninjiza my email yanjye. So I can use obs burgers. Then I can use my temporary password. If I sign in, I can sign in, I can save my password. Then I tajya kuri dashboard. Open dashboard. By default, I shyiramo setting a new password because it's for the first time. So then I can use my password here. So let me suppose this is the password I'm going to enter for this organization. Okay, I think they are not matching. Try again. Let me try. Okay, they matched. Let's update the password. Now I'm going to the system. This is the landing page of the admin. So these are the actions admin can do in the system. So reka tujye ku cya mbere. Admin is the one who can come niyo uhagarariye company, shall creating academic years for the school or company. Yes, time you want, you can come and create academic year by clicking here. So you can click on academic year, maybe 2027, 2028. Yes, let's set like we start from, or maybe September, and then to the end, or so maybe same date. Let's say it is we end at September 12, 2027. Let's create this, and let's set as active. So if I click on active, this will be the first active academic year. Other that I can create ntabwo zaba ziri active, bigomba kuba ari imwe. Then you can also create departments in his school. Those are like sections. Here I can say like department like software, development. And I can say like this is salt or info for salt. Here. So this is just a simple description. Ushobora gushyira ibintu byinshi. Then we're creating organization. Organization is hano. So you can select the teacher. By default nta n'umwe twashyizemo. Ushobora creating umwarimu. Ushobora kujya kuri teachers hano. Ukaza ushobora creating benshi cyangwa creating umwe. So you can go to bug. Then ukajya kuri single bug. Ni ukuvuga ngo download template. Filling amazina yabo hose. Ubundi uhita ukanda rimwe create teachers.
nk'uko ubibona ukazikanda kuri bug. So we noneho downloadinga hano ukanda kuri download template. Downloadinga ukaba wayaza ari excel cyangwa csv. Hano we baguha template uri bukoresha. Rero niba ufite nk'abanyeshuri 100 kandi bari nko muri iyi excel, nta mpamvu yo kwirirwa ugira ute uzubandikamo manually. Uraza pastingemo yenda wendera amazina, yenda wifate umwite yenda teacher same ukareka twite Mario Master. Ushobora kubibana ku ibintu biri optional, ushaka kubishyiramo cyangwa ntabishyiramo. You can delete this column. So iyi ngibyo nyine akora byo bishyiramo. Ushobora no kuduplicating bakaba benshi, ugashyiramo yenda kadushyiremo undi yenda tubitenda Obs Vargas. Suppose this is just a name. So let's save. Kaza ukahita savinga CSV yawe. Kwa deleting it is savinga. Let's saving and download maybe. Move. Okay. So njyewe mitazana n'agakanda hano kuri choose file. Mpita njya muri downloads. Shaka ya teachers template. Uploadingamo kutabanye kuba ne wagiye kuba created. So n'ibindi byose no kuzadubikoresha. Then we can create for teachers. Bakazaza muri system n'ama temporary password yabo. So this is how you can do this. Then ukahita assigning out class wabishaka. Kuri single ushobora gushyiramo umwe. Say like this is Kigali High School teacher. Let's say this is also even his username, position, Kigali High School teacher, position, username. Let's also give him same username, position. Let's say is a teacher or trainer. The proper password will be just that one. So if you can create, shall saving your teacher. So this is the teacher has been created. Now if you go back to the department, you can see now you can select the teacher and come selecting a Kajamlia department. So now this teacher has been added in our department also. So means the courses ziri sold umwarimu ushaka kuba yazigisha. So let's tujye kuri class. Let's create a class. Let's say like this is level 3. Level 3. Let's say level 3 year, let's say 2027, department software, and choose a teacher, and then create a class.
so nayo ni izi ngizi yaba created kandi twayasayininze wa mwarimu ino class. Iyi ni that ko umwarimu yigisha muri ino class ibarizwa muri ino department. Then the next thing you should do, you can create a student. Nabyo ni bimwe ushobora gushyiraho benshi cyangwa kohereza umwe. So you can click on add a student, then say like this is Kigali High School student, then ugahitamo ya level 3 ukamushyiramo cyangwa ugashyiramo benshi, ariko uranza ugaselectinga none class uri buze kubashyiramo. So it is easy. So let's say student, okay, level 3, let's create a student. Then after everything is set, when you go to class now, you can see you have everything. You have one student here, then you have a student also here. Let's go to course reviews. By default, there is one course which is public. Here I publish it as public. Even a student or teacher can review this. When you go to reports, urabona repoti zitandukanye nyinshi, unashobora kubona how many teachers, how many classrooms, how many courses. These are the statistics. By default there's no more actions yet that I yet here added. Password requests. Here a teacher or a student can request a password, so admin yuri able kuza kumuha access akanamucreating a password, then akazinjira the same way, but we ntabwo azari requesting as a company uko twabonye. So audit logs, these are just the activities that are done in the system. These are the settings. If you want to change your school name, like Kigali High School, you can change this and save the settings, and if you refresh, now you see it is Kigali High School. So you can change everything you want here, and even the time zone. So these are the actions of the admin. And for the profile, Shakona, this is the foundation of him, this is the administrator account, this is the name. Shanakoya Hindura. Then Shanakoya change the password as usual. These are the activities. Yeah, those are the action that an admin can do in the system. Hanyuma ubwo kibura n'iki, kibura no creating n'umwarimu twanamucreatinze afite na username, dushaka kumufata twamushyira muri system nawe akinjira as our teacher in the system using this username. Okay, so that's it guys, that's it. So other thing you can do, you can sign out the system, and then you can create wa mwarimu nawe akinjira muri system uko twamukreatinze na password twabaye savings. Yeah, that's it. So that's how you register a company in the organization, and those are the actions organization admin ashobora gukora muri no system. Thank you guys. See you one in the next one. We are not tuzegerekana uburyo wa mwarimu wabaye created ashobora kwinjira muri system nawe ibyakora muri no system. So mwenye ko ari ibintu byinshi ariko si byinshi cyane, it's simple. This is the admin. Most actions zose ntabwo ari buzikora ngaha. So thank you guys, thank you. See you in the next one. That was Smart Classroom Management System. Ciao. See you.
Thanks for joining our journey into the future of technology. At Lowland Stock, we empower you to learn, build, and innovate for a better tomorrow. Stay curious and stay inspired. Lowland Stock Rwanda, leading the way in digital excellence.